Hey guys, alright, so today I'm going to be talking about two vacuum cleaners. One is corded and one is cordless. I bought both of them because I wasn't sure which one I really wanted and which one's better. So I'm going to show you guys, and so maybe next time when you buy a vacuum you can see which one's more powerful. Alright, this is the cordless. It's called the Bia or the Bia, however you want to pronounce it. Looks like a Dyson from a view if you're used to Dysons. The head is a good size. I would say maybe about 10 inches long. All right, they're both bagless. So I'm going to show you how they work. I put down baking soda on the floor. Okay, we'll try the floor first. And I'll show you how they work on the floor with one swipe across. Okay, so the corded one comes with two heads. One is the bristles, which I took out. And the next one is like a roller, okay? As you can see the roller. You see a lot of them come with that. So it looks over here. It's like a blue and red, okay? Just rolls. So we're going to try the roller first, okay? This is the first one with the corded. And I'm going to go across this one in just one swipe. Here we go. Alright, so as you can see, it did take a good portion out, okay? Now, we're going to try with the cordless vacuum, and we'll see what that does with one swipe. Now, this one did not come with the roller. It came with just the bristles. Mind you, they both have power heads, and they both have LED lights for tight spots, okay? So, here's this one now. One swipe. Oh, let me just mind you first. This one has two clicks. Triggers right here. Let's see if you can see it. That's the trigger right there. One click is for like hardwood floors, and two clicks is for carpet. But I'm going to do two clicks as we're doing carpet so you can see how it looks on the powerful section, okay? Here we go. 1, 2. So, as you can see, the difference between this one and the corded seems to have more power. It took up a lot more of the Arm & Hammer baking soda, and it's leaving residue on the floor. Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, so it's still leaving residue, okay? It's still leaving residue there, which I'm not really too fond of. Okay, so now let's try to clean this mess up with the, it's called a neckwear or neckwear. This is the corded one. Remember, it has the roller attached to it, so let's try it now. This only has one click, and it's the power. Okay, so this, there's no residue left. I'm shaking it. Nothing's really coming out. The other one just comes out all over the place. All right, so that's with the roller. Now, let's try on carpet. Okay. So we'll go to the carpet over here. And put here. Over here. Okay. Now let's go back and get this. Okay. Now, like I said, this only has one attachment. That's the bristles. It doesn't have the roll like the other one does. Okay, so we're going to try this one. You can see the baking soda. Okay, we're going to do two clicks because we're going to carpet. Okay, it's the strongest one. 1, 2. Okay, you can see there's still some left, and again, it's coming out. Like, this is ridiculous. It's coming out. All right, now let's try the other one, the corded one. And let's see how that works out. This is the neckwear, okay? All right, so here's the neckwear. Let's see how this goes. So as you can see, there's some in the middle. The sides are only because the head wasn't big enough. And this one, you can see the difference. See the difference? This is neckwear. This is the corded vacuum, and this is the cordless vacuum. You can see what's left and the trail it left. With the other one, there is no trail. It just stops. Now, I'm going to show you when I use the bristles on this neckwear one. We'll see the differences with the bristles compared to the roller. But let's finish this up. Let me show you. Let me clean up this vacuum's mess. Now you're going to see there's still some white residue left from the baking soda. That may be because of the bristles that are not there. So let's just change this over to the bristles. Okay, hold on one second, guys. Oh, and just so you know, to change this, the neckwear, this is, there's a knob right there. You got to turn that knob counterclockwise to unlocks, and this piece right here lifts up, and then this whole piece comes out. Okay, hold on. Okay, so now I've changed it. Now it's the bristles. Okay, same vacuum, the neckwear, but I just changed the head, the bristles now. So now it's the bristles, and let's see the difference between the bristles on this one and the bristles on that one. You kind of already know how that one is, but we'll see one more time. Okay, hold on. Let's some baking soda here. Okay, do it again. It's a little bit. Okay. Okay. Now, we'll try one time. All right. This is the bristles on the baya. Okay. And mind you, I already cleaned out the bristles. Whatever hair was there, I took it off. Okay, here we go. 2 clicks because we're on the rug. Okay, so you see what it left. All right, there's still some there. Okay, it did a little better this time, but let's see how this one operates now. This is the bristle. This is the neckwear, however you want to pronounce it. Okay, here we go. Wow, look at that. So it looks like the other head, the roller head, works better on carpet than the bristles do. I would think it'd be opposite. I know the roller was for the hardwood floor. Okay, so do one more over it. Let's see. Okay, so that didn't go as planned. I thought it would actually overpower this. Let's try this now. Try to clean the mess. Okay. Okay. So it looks like the Baya did better in this round. Bristle versus bristle, cordless versus corded. This one, cordless won the round for the bristles. Let's do one more time. I'm going to put the roller head on this vacuum right here, which is the Nequare, which is also the corded one. So hold on a second. Okay, last round, we'll do again just to double check. The roller versus the bristle, and which is the roller is going to be the corded, the bristle is going to be the cordless. So last time, let's see. Let's put a good amount there. Okay. Okay. Now, all right, let's try the cordless again. This is the one with the bristle. It can't go any other way. Doesn't come with any more attachments. Although I will try to see if you can purchase attachments. I'm sure they have a roller for this. All right, so 2 clicks. We're on a rug. 1. And 4. Okay, that was 1 forward, 1 back. Okay, there isn't that much residue left. Not too bad. Okay, so that's forward and back. Okay, so now let's try the corded with the roller now attached. There's the roller attached, as you can see, and let's see. Okay, it looks like the roller does a better job. You see the roller on the corded one cleans up mostly all of it. And the other one doesn't do that much. Let's go over the one that the cordless went over. Okay, so it looks as if we have a winner. I would say the winner is hands down the corded Nequare with the roller brush. Don't get me wrong, the Baya, however you want to call it, it does work. It's very convenient because all you do is charge it. But the corded is good too. The corded though, let's see. See which one's longer. Hold on a second, guys. Alright, it seems that the Neequare is a slight longer, as you can see. It's a slight longer. It doesn't really look as fancy as the other one. But it does work better. So there you have it, guys. In my opinion. Oh, by the way, this is the Neequare. It's the A17 series with high power motor. You want to make sure that you have a motor in this head. Sometimes it's just air that sucks through, and not having a motor doesn't really do anything for you. If you have like baby powder or crumbs on the floor, it won't really have that much of a suction, and it won't glide on the rug as easy. So there you have it. Okay, corded beat it. Oh, you know what? Before we go, let me do one more test run and show you guys on the wood floor with the roller versus bristle. Okay, I forgot to do this, guys. Okay. Okay, let's go with the cordless first. And let's see. This is the bristle, like I said. Two, okay, here we go. 1, 2. 1. Okay, and there it goes again. It's still leaving the residue. Ugh, hate that. What a waste of money. Okay, you would think it'd be better than that. The amount of money you spend for these things. Okay, let's go to corded. Now that was 2 swipes back and forth. This is going to be the roller now, the roller head. Okay, here we go. Okay, we have a winner, a winner by a landslide. You can see the marking there from the cordless one, and here is no marking, and you see the outline from the head from the corded one. So hands down, the corded one wins, and I'll just finish it up. Now, let's let me try something for you guys. Okay, let's try on this. This is a special mat for cats. Let's try the test runs. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right, let's do the cordless. All right, cordless first. Here we go. Okay, I went over it twice and it's still there. Some of it came off, not all of it. And of course it's coming out again. Okay. Let's try the corded. This is the roller brush now. Okay, so it's a little lighter, as you can see, but it's also the kind of material this is. It's not like a rug. It's some kind of material for the cats to catch the K-litter. All right, last and not least, let me do this rug. Probably did it already, but showing the light, how it looks. Okay. Let's do this. We're going to start off with the cordless. Okay, here we go. 2 clicks, 1 rug. Okay, I went over twice, and you can see it's still there. That's how we started off with a thick, and it's still there. Okay. Now, let's do the corded. Again, this is the roller we have. Here we go, 1 shot. As you can see the difference, this is not me making this up, fellas and ladies. This is the real deal. Corded, again, wins. And this is the bristle. I'm sorry, this is the roller. So, to be fair, well, let's finish this up. You have like pros and cons to each of these things. The one that's cordless is a lot easier to maneuver, but the corded one picks up a lot more stuff. So, all right, hold on 1 second. Just changing the head real quick. By the way, it only takes about maybe a minute, not even, maybe a couple seconds, just to change the bristle heads. Okay, I'm done. So let's sprinkle some more. Okay. All right, so I've changed the head. Again, here's the cordless bristle. I was 2 times went over, nothing. Corded bristle now. Alright, it's still there. It seems like the roller head works a lot better. Change it one more time. Okay. By the way, it's here. See this? Kind of clockwise. This pops out. This just comes out. This one goes in. Like that. And falls in place. This piece just goes like so. You hold it down. And you tighten this. Click. Clockwise. That's it. Alright. So, let's see if we can finish the job now with the roller. Alright, so there you go. Corded wins all the way. Especially with the roller bristle. I mean the roller brush. Works a lot better. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps out with your shopping. Alright, take care.